guys and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm East London and I hope you're all staying well and staying safe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this beautiful unit which got kindly sent to me from Vshow Hair. And they sent me over their 14-inch Kinkycurly wig. Once you receive the hair, you'll notice that there will be some little goodies inside of the box, a guide to take care of the hair, a little boss clip, and some lashes. So off camera, I went in and bleached the knots, and also here I'm showing you the cap construction of this wig. There's 4 cones, plus an adjustable strap at the back. Also, this unit came pre-plucked, so if you don't know how to pluck wigs, then this wig is defo 100% for you. So I'm gonna go try this bad boy on and show you how natural this hairline looks. No, the hairline looks very natural and it came pre-plucked. It just wasn't sitting right with me, so I just went in and plucked it a little bit more to my satisfaction. Because I'm not sure if you guys noticed, there was a line behind the hairline, a line of demarcation which I did not like, so that's why I'm going to go in and pluck that out and make it look even more natural. I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be back. So after that, I went in with my hot comb and flattened the perimeter of the wig just to make it a bit more sleek. So boom, once all that is set and done, then I'm going to go in with my foundation. Even though I bleached the knots, I like to go in with my foundation and put that on top just to give it that ultimate blend. And what I mean by that is just to make it look even more like scalp. You all can clearly tell by now that the wig cap is way too light and is not matching my skin tone, so I'm going to go in with that same foundation and apply it to the wig cap. So before we get into this slay, I'm going to go and cut the lace into 4 sections. And by doing this, I just think that cutting it into sections, it just makes the install way more easier. So to install this unit today, I'm going to be using the Got2b Freeze Blast spray, and I'm going to use this to glue down all the sections and then get my blow dryer to set it all in place. Okay, so with this part, a bit of the wig cap was showing, so I'm going to tell you guys a little trick. So I'm going to go in with my black eyeshadow and try cover that, and you'll see the end result. So you can do this trick if there's any like balding in your wigs, you can use black eyeshadow to cover it up. I promise you, it will help. So after doing that, I'm going to go in and lay that down just to make sure that this unit is very secure on my head. So once that is all set in place, I'm going to go in and cut the extra lace off. So here I'm just brushing out the kinks, and I decided to go with a side part for today's video. So that is literally all for today's video, guys, and you're just going to be seeing me styling this unit as a side part. So I'm going to tell you some details about this hair. So they sent me the Mongolian Kinkycurly wig. This is a 13x4 lace front wig. The density is 150%. This is also human hair and the colour is a natural colour. It is colour 1B. And also when you purchase this hair, it is free shipping and the shipping time is between 7 to 15 days, but I received mine a bit earlier. So yeah, that is it, guys. This hair is very beautiful, very lightweight, very full. The lace blends very well with your skin. curls are very tight and very defined once wet. So thank you Vshow Hair for this hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.